Okay, what's up guys, and welcome to PhyizE channel, and this is just another tutorial which I will be showing you how to create your paper setup when you want to print an AutoCAD. So if you guys are just new to this channel, I want you to give this video a thumbs up button. Make sure subscribing to my channel to learn more of CAD tutorial, and comment down below if there is any area you did not understand in this tutorial. So this is you actually need to come to your layout if you want to create things like paper setup or trying to print with AutoCAD. So the model area here is just the side where you draw your normal things. Like this is just the normal area, so you just have to come to this layout one, which is the one I'm just gonna be working with now. So let's just okay, so I'm just gonna be showing you how you can actually create this. The dimension of it depends on the dimension of paper that you actually want to print with. The A3 is 420 by 297, so we just have to input the line and click your starting point, this to be 420, and then we create another line of 297, and then this to be 420 also, and just have to create this up. So this is just the first thing you need to do. Then depending, you can just try to create a rectangle to just select it from this point and then close it. So we can actually select the polyline and move it, so we can actually work fast while doing this. That is why I actually want to create it with a rectangle. So let's select this and then offset it by 3 inward, just to let's move it near what we're actually doing, so you can actually see how I'm doing it. So you can actually do it like this depending on how you want to. So you can just double click on it to bring out the layer, or you can just even change the line and do stuff like that depending on how you want to do it. So we can actually create another line and offset it by, so if that is our line, we can actually select it and offset it by 50 or 60, whatever. So and then we can actually select, come here and delete the single line we created. So we can actually create another line from here to the other side for our title panel, and then we can select it and offset it by 40 or 30 anyhow. So I can actually select this again and offset it by 10, just to the place I'm gonna be putting my architect and all those things there. So we can actually select this and trim it. I think this 40 is too much. Let's delete this and offset this other one by maybe 9. No, let's clean it and let's offset by, let's select it and offset by 6. Okay, we can just move with that, and we can actually create a line here where we will be writing our approval colon. So we can actually select it and offset it by 9 also downward. So we can actually clean this. So this is just how you start it, and then we can just try to divide this. Let's use the line, depending on how you want to do it. So we can just copy it, if that is for the architect rather, sorry, and then for the title and drawn by and all those things, sheet number. And if this is how you want to do it, it is okay. So depending on how you actually want to do it. So this is where you actually need to understand very well. Now if you want to bring any drawing into this page, to this view like this, where you can actually double click and then what I'm trying to say. So we can actually escape from that, and actually press Ctrl+0 to go back to where we're starting from. So we come to this view, and then we come to this viewport. So we can actually create a viewport 1, and then we can actually select this point and then come down here. I think we made a mistake there. Yeah, there was a mistake there, so let's do it again. So we can come to this view and viewports. So viewport 1, that means we want to select this from there to this to the side. So let's so this is what we're actually going to be doing. So let's click outside the viewport and so if we are to show anything, okay, let's just try to look for like this roof plan I actually showed you and how you can draw it, and then we can just try to select it very well. And so this is just how you do it. And if you want to go with a viewport of a different thing, so let's just try to delete the viewport here. Where let's press Ctrl Z and go to the viewport 2. If we are creating a viewport of 2, that means we are creating 2 sides rather. So I think let's do something. Okay, we've not deleted the viewport. So let's come to this view and viewports. So viewport 2. So we can actually select. I think something is wrong. Okay, let's just do it this way. Let's create a rectangle. I don't know what is wrong. Okay, from here to, okay, let's just try to make it half. So we can actually select this rectangle, come to the view, and then we can viewport, then object. So we select the rectangle that we just created, and let's wait. So we can actually pan inside of the viewport we've created. We can just try to show another thing. Okay, let's just try to show the plan here. So if this is what you want to do, click outside of the viewport, click inward again, then just try to set. You can just try to set everything the way you want it to be. So that is it. So you can just try to do it anyhow you guys want to do it. And thanks for watching this tutorial. And I'm actually running out of battery. It's gonna be indicating now that my battery is low. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Oh my god, the battery is low. So I want you guys to make sure you're subscribing to my channel and like this video, share it among your friends that you know they actually need this. And let's just try to grow. I want you guys to comment down below on any tutorial you actually want me to do with AutoCAD, Revit, and some structural things. Love you guys for watching this. Thank you very much for sponsoring me doing more of this thing. So thank you guys.